Do your W123 washer nozzles kind of spray a little sideways, crooked, cross-eyed? We're going to show you how to fix that. Take a look at what my washer nozzles are currently doing. So we got one that's hitting over here, one that's hitting up here, and that one's actually about right. Did you know these things are adjustable? Sure enough, they make a little tool, and you could use probably like a safety pin or something, a good size safety pin, to have the same effect. Let's hop out of the car and take a look and show you what you need to do to adjust your wiper nozzles. So if you come out here to your wiper nozzle, and you look down in there, you can see two little silver guys. And this tool has like a pick thing on the end of it here. And essentially what you can do is take this pick, stick it in here, and you can turn that nozzle. You can take this one, dial that down a bit, and then come in here. See how that's changed? Now let's raise this one up a hair. Just adjust. This one needs to be a hair lower. Look at that. Now we got both nozzles hitting right square in front of the driver over here. So that's pretty much all you need to know. One of these little tools or a safety pin, your call. Link to this will be in the description if you need it. But either way, with 30 seconds of your time, you can adjust your W123 wiper nozzles so that instead of washing the car next to you and behind you, you're actually cleaning your own windshield. I know that's a pretty novel concept, but it is actually really handy to be able to use your own spray nozzles for your own windshield. So hopefully this has been helpful to you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.